Physical rehab can be a long and daunting journey. Patients might not always realise the importance of it, and even if they do, they often feel left alone without proper support from professionals. Yet it can have an immense impact on their future health. Well, On The Mend is changing this. Through our platform, On The Mend enables a tailored care plan experience with motivation and rewards along the patient's journey, as well as allowing their healthcare professionals to see how they are progressing on a range of health outcomes. Studies show that patients do as little as half of their prescribed exercises, which leads to disappointing outcomes and wasted system resources. However, there's also evidence that by simply promoting self-care, it's possible to reduce the cost of treatment by as much as 32%. Did you know that 1.7 billion people have musculoskeletal conditions worldwide? The NHS spends almost £5 billion a year treating people with problems affecting their muscles, bones or joints, while in the US, this figure is over $160 billion annually. After my own frustrating experience with knee surgery, with all those paper instructions, rushed consultations with my surgeon or physiotherapist, forgetting what to do each day and quickly losing motivation to keep going, I knew there must be a better way. On The Mend is an online platform that motivates people going through physical rehab and brings them closer to their healthcare professionals. It makes it easier to reach your daily goals and keep track of your progress, and patients can directly share key information with healthcare professionals.
When Wesley first came to me and described his experience of knee surgery, I knew that other patients are going through something very similar. I also know how surgeons and physiotherapists can benefit from access to key information about how their patients are getting on at home.
We are ready to start piloting our platform with strong orthopaedic brands in the UK before looking to explore opportunities overseas, including in the US, where we've previously seen strong interest in the technology solution that we're bringing to the healthcare industry. Our co-founding team is what gives us an edge over the competition, with a patient, surgeon and physiotherapist, along with experienced healthcare and health tech leaders advising the business.
Very excited to be helping and supporting Wesley and the team from On The Mend on this mission. We believe that they're absolutely the right founders to be solving this. Their domain experience is excellent, their passion for their business and the drive to get this problem right is the reason we'll continue to support them through their journey.
After joining Founders Factory's accelerator, we have raised a round of investment and built a platform ready for easy adoption by different parts of the healthcare system and for rapid growth across global markets. As we expand, our platform will build valuable data sets on health outcomes with the potential to support improvements in the delivery of care to people across the life course. The money we're raising will help cover our pilots, further product development and technical support, as well as legal and regulatory compliance. Join us and help us to get more people on the mend.
I am 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 on the mend.